What if I told you your brain can be reprogrammed without surgery, without drugs, just words, fear, and repetition? Brainwashing doesn't happen in 1 second. It happens step by step. And the scary part? Your brain actually changes while it's happening. Step 1. Isolation. When humans feel lonely, rejected, or scared, the brain becomes vulnerable. The prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for critical thinking, starts working less under stress. Now imagine hearing the same message again and again and again. Your brain loves patterns. Repetition creates familiarity, and familiarity feels safe, even when it's dangerous. Step 2. Fear. When fear takes control, your brain activates the amygdala, the survival center. And when survival mode turns on, logic turns off. Brainwashing uses fear to make people stop questioning. Fear of outsiders, fear of punishment, fear of being alone. But here's the terrifying part. The brain starts rewarding obedience. When a person follows the group and feels accepted, dopamine gets released, the same chemical linked to pleasure and addiction. So eventually, the victim doesn't just obey, they want to obey. Step 3. Identity replacement. The old personality slowly disappears. New beliefs replace old memories. New enemies replace old friends. And eventually, people can defend lies as if they were truth. The scariest thing about brainwashing, most victims never realize it happened. So next time you hear something repeated 1,000 times online, ask yourself one question. Am I thinking, or am I being programmed? Comment "Wake up" if this made you think differently. Subscribe for more dark psychology and brain mysteries.